whatever you want to do with it. This was fairly cheap. Orange flagging. Like I said, they did have pink and green if you wanted to get colorful. It didn't matter to me, but yeah, it's just a vinyl ribbon. But yeah, it's okay. It's not the best ribbons I've seen. It doesn't have the most the width of the actual ribbon, so the length of the ribbon isn't as fat as other rolls I've had before. But again, paid $4 and something for it, and it will do your site. It's for that purpose, for that product and price range. I think it's a good product, a good buy. Like I said, I'll put a link to it if you want the other colors. They'll be on that same page. I don't know if the link works to that, but when you open up the page, you'll have the choice of colors and you can change over. So that'll help somebody else find it. Like I said, I couldn't find that, surprisingly, in any stores. Walmart didn't even have it. Tractor Supply, Ace Hardware. Everywhere I tried in town, I could not find it. So, you know, go online, and Amazon seems to be the place. We got a tap, which was a 3/8 3/8/16 tap. Looks like a good quality tap. Yeah, should work fine for what I got to do. I just got to clean some threads out. Again, I'll put that in a link below. Spark plug wires, and we got a pickup for the welder. So let's see if I can pull that out. There's the pickup that goes on the bottom of the welder for the underneath the flywheel. I'll put links to those in there too. That went on a Lincoln Ranger G9 Pro. So anyway, the main review is on this leather binder. It's a small field journal binder cover. Cover, I guess, is the proper name. I call it a binder, but I like the leather. I like the stitching on it. The seal is great. I'm not 100% sure how long that will last. I question, you know, thin leather. Depends on who's taking care of it, I guess. A lot of guys won't even buckle them shut anyway, so that's not going to make much difference. It looks nice. I'll keep mine buckled when I'm not using it, and when I'm in the field, I'll leave it unbuttoned. But the main reason I picked it was for this, the outer location for the pin to be in the center here rather than inside. And like I said, the locations, you've got pockets for cards, business cards. On each side, you've got a note area, or you can put a second field journal in there. And of course, you can get the field journals. So all these will be linked below. Y'all check out my Amazon store, and if you need any of this stuff, go ahead and get it through there if you would. So y'all click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for what comes next.